Panic struck most boys.
You can join. You can join our orchestra. I'm very useful.
We touch upon the day that we are celebrating today. Swami Vivekananda's birth centenary. This is Jayanti. And today has been notified in government terms and acknowledged as the National Youth Day. And it is also a very important day to help all of us, but more particularly the youth of this country, to move the engine of development and create and lay down a path for the progress of not only Indians, but I think for the rest of the world, because we have citizens of this country, and more so, the youngsters of this country, who are now moving into different parts of the world, different locations, and they are really the ambassadors of the Indian culture, not only in terms of their knowledge, technology, computer science, but they are also ambassadors of the Indian culture, which is deep-rooted, which is almost over 3,000 years old. And it is, as was mentioned by Rakhe earlier, it is our culture that has helped us withstood the test of time. The government of India has brought out a program called the Viksit Bharat program, which targets the year 2047 as the year when India should become a fully developed country to match all other nations. But I personally feel that we're already there. And what we should do now, especially the youngsters, the youth who have been addressed, particularly in this program, is that you must ensure that India's mainstay is continued and is seen through these remaining 2 decades, almost 2 decades.